Well, attending the Health IT Exchange is a fantastic opportunity in terms of mixing the commercial and the NHS clinical world. Seeing those two together in this particular environment's really valuable.
The Exchange is, in comparison to other conferences, is totally different. I think it's fantastic. There's no rigid sort of programme as such, and it's very individualised to each person that comes here, so they can get out of the Exchange what they need to get out and look for people that have that similar interest in things that can support them.
An excellent opportunity to meet with other hospitals and to understand the challenges and problems they have and how best we can align ourselves to provide a better service within the NHS.
It's certainly a very high calibre of attendees here. I think there are very many strategic thinkers, and often that's sometimes what you need in terms of to stimulate the thought and generate innovative ideas.
There's been an exceptional use of 2 days out of the office. We're all incredibly busy, so to have meaningful conversations with a lot of people talking about topics we know that they need to get clarity on has been absolutely fantastic. It really has.
It gives us the opportunity to meet with such a large crowd of NHS professionals and C-level people.
It's been very useful to meet other people from other areas of healthcare and also speak to vendors about not only their products and services, but also basically absorb the whole atmosphere, which has been really positive.
Getting time with individual suppliers and then following that through is extremely hard work and time consuming. Come to an event like this, within a sort of half-day slot, you've seen all the suppliers for that particular project you want to deal with. You can bring them down, but not waste their time, not waste your time, and get to quite a good shortlist very quickly.
Attending the exchange events is quite effective for us. You know, the alternatives is we have to spend many days out on the road trying to line up appointments to see clients. So having that sort of intense, concentrated period of time talking to significant, senior people in the organisations we want to engage with is absolutely ideal for us.
So having half an hour slot is just long enough to really get the detail, understand their pain, understand the problems that they have, how we can work together to help solve some of those problems.
For having 15, 20 solid conversations with people who are interested, people who have budget and people who can make those decisions. You don't get that anywhere else.
The staff who are running the exchange go out of their way to bring people to us to make sure that we speak to the right people that we need to speak to.
Events like this that actually put you face to face with the decision makers really do make a difference.
We've met with a few real live opportunities in the last couple of days, and they've been so active that we're actually going to be back here in the next week and probably in a month from now to try and move things forward.
In terms of networking, the event has been first class. I think the opportunity to meet people who do what I do in other organisations has been great.
So it's not just talking with CIOs and NHS organisations, it's talking with other providers who we might work with, and it's indeed getting together as a group of people and looking at problems that together we can start to solve. So much more about collaboration between organisations and between providers.
So there's a great mix and a great mix of skills, and that's what makes the networking so valuable for me.
It's really important for us to be able to attend the sessions and get the views of people that are real healthcare experts on IT and other things around it.
It's a pool of ideas. Everybody is very forthcoming and what they're doing and what they're trying to do to meet the challenges.
Just seeing some software solutions that I didn't even know existed as well, and seeing opportunities for ourselves to potentially adopt different ways of working, different systems to try and achieve what we can to deliver better services.
I found it very useful to talk to different people across the whole spectrum of technology and what they're doing.
It's a good way of in one fell swoop, getting a lot of knowledge in a very short space of time.